On to the weather forecast now. Here's Holly Green.
Hello, good afternoon. We had some very warm conditions around last week, and that was because of where our air was coming from. It was surging up from France and from Spain, and it was hot and it was humid, but it is all changed now for this week. We see a westerly coming in, that's bringing air of Atlantic origin, and that means a return to something a little bit more typical for the time of year. So a fresher look to this week in general. Still warm though, where you do get to see some sunshine coming through. We have also got a little bit of showery rain popping up at times as well, though a decent amount of dry weather too. Some sunshine then for many of us so far today. This is a lovely scene here from one of our weather watchers in Chichester. And you can see that most of us actually started with some blue skies, but now we're just beginning to see a bit of cloud bubbling up. And I think there will be a touch more cloud in general through the afternoon, and it could lead to an isolated shower or two. But the bulk of the afternoon is dry for most of us, and we've got temperatures pushing up to around 22 degrees. So still not bad in the sunshine, but those values are a good bit lower than we've grown used to of late. Into tonight then, a couple of showers in the mix. They tend to ease off, clear spells around through tonight, and it won't be as humid as recent nights, with temperatures in places down to 12 or 13 degrees. A more pleasant one, I think, for sleeping. So for tomorrow then, we start things off on quite a bright note, some sunshine around, but a bit more cloud tends to work in through the course of the day, and it could lead to a few spots of rain. Nothing especially heavy, perhaps just a little bit of a nuisance maybe. Still, I think a lot of dry weather around, and again, our temperatures getting into the low 20s.
We knew that lovely warm weather wouldn't last. That is it.